barbecue, like a Tocino style. My own version. I always use this for many years. Whatever you have at home, you'll use it to make a barbecue. I'm putting grill in the house, our indoor salad master grill. This is a pork shoulder, boneless. See? Like that. And you put, this is all the ingredients here. Okay? Okay, now I'm putting the ketchup. It's like 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Okay. And then this one is like two squeeze because it's a little bit spicy and not too spicy really, but it's just good. And this one is the soy sauce, maybe 3 tablespoons. I usually eyeball to eyeball only. I just sort of can tell. And this is the black pepper powder and garlic. Sorry, my camera is opposite side. Just do like a teaspoon and a half. And then garlic powder, onion powder. There you go, a teaspoon and a half also. Oh God, the dust of that. And then a brown sugar. I usually put 3 tablespoons. It's up to you. But my son like it a little bit. There you go. They like a little sweetness. It's like just Tocino, right? They really are like sweet. Okay. You put that back there. And then you mix that first. See the mixture? All that together. The yummy goodness. See, it's just simple as that. I'm gonna put a garlic paste. Oops, sorry. Okay. I'm putting the garlic. Just a second because I'm getting me a garlic paste. I'm vlogging right now. This is a garlic paste that I made. And I put it in the container, you know, so you can use it many times. Then, see that? Oh. That is not the garlic paste. I just remember that's a tomato green paste. So, good thing I noticed it, or else I'm going to put that wrong. Oh. And then, what you can do is, you're going to put the ginger ale, just to add to the flavor. I'll show you. Oh, sorry. Here. See that? In your barbecue sauce, you just put maybe a 1/4 cup. Just like that. With all that, but it's really yummy, I promise. I already put a lot of garlic powder anyway. Oh, I can smell all that ginger ale too. Just very simple, whatever you have at home. And what you're gonna do is to put the meat now. Put all the meat. You just, you know, and then I'm gonna slice some more meat. See that? This is this is tradition for me. I've been doing this for 20 years. Kids love it. I always put, you can add whatever you want in similarity. You can put lemon, but the kids don't like a little bit. Well, I can put lemon a little bit, but I usually, the ginger already have that acidic a little bit. So that's sort of done. Okay? See you later, guys, when it's done. See that? Look at that. You marinate it for 10 minutes. And you'll be ready to cook this. You don't have to wait the next day. You could too, the similar one. See? There you go. So you can marinate it more and like that. And you just grill that indoor. Okay? Bye. See you next video because I'm going to continue this because I need to use my 2 hands. But okay? And I add some chicken bouillon. You know the powder chicken bouillon? Because I don't put salt. So, you know. I just use chicken bouillon because it's all have the flavor, even you cook pork. But you know, you can always add salt if you want, but I just don't use salt. Sometimes I just sort of, you know. Okay, just massage that. It's been 3 minutes since, you know, marinate that. Just leave it like that, and then it's ready to cook. Okay.